Ruby Falls in Chattanooga, Tennessee is an amazing underground waterfall that drops 90 feet. You do have to go through a cave to get there. Totally worth it. I would definitely recommend it. Amy booked us on the gentle walking tour, which started at 7:45 a.m., which meant we had to get up with a crack ass at 5:30 because it's a 2-hour drive to get there from where we stayed. But holy cow, I would totally do it again. This is the entryway. You'll go down an elevator and you'll come out at the bottom. So let's get to it. I can't wait to show you.
Right in front of y'all is what's known as a Stalagmite Formation, or a type of formation that grows out from the ground. And what you have in front of you is an example that stands around 4.5 feet tall, give or take a couple of inches.
Our tour guide was super knowledgeable. We went at a very leisurely pace. You're able to take lots of pictures, take lots of videos. He'll repeat himself if you missed what he said. It was a very relaxing and enjoyable tour. There was maybe about 10 to 15 of us total. I would recommend this tour a lot. You can do a regular tour, which kind of fast tracks you to the falls, but it's so much worth it to see all the different sights along the way. They do have signs along the way that explain what they feel the structures look like. The cave itself is decently easy to walk through. I'm 6'2", and I didn't have to duck very much. This spot, for instance, though, was a little short. However, you're walking through normally at a regular pace, and it was actually very cool. There's Renee taking a picture of one of the things that we saw. As someone who works in Niagara Falls, I do have to say, this did not look like Niagara Falls.
Stairs are much. What? Oh yeah.
And around the next bend is Ruby Falls. Just wait until you see this. They do start you out in pitch black and go through this amazing light show. After that's over, they turn on the lights so you can just sit there and experience the waterfall, and it's just so stunningly beautiful. It is impressive that somebody found this over 100 years ago, crawling through this cave on their hands and knees. Wow.
Okay, that concludes our tour of Ruby Falls. Now we're just waiting for the elevator to ride to go back up and to land in the gift shop.